Alright, we are trading the Nasdaq again today at 12:01. Coming into the day, I was bearish. We had some rather unfortunate news with Japan and the carry trade going on currently, so I expected sentiment to be low. Even though we're getting rate cuts, I think we are going to chop up until we get rate cuts, so I was bearish coming into the day. Something I use to check what the odds are of a rate cut and what the sentiment is. Usually poly market these days is really good. As you can see here, there's an 89% chance that there's going to be a rate cut, so I'm just going by that. So what I'm expecting market to do today is go down, take out some lows, and then slowly come back up. But I do want to see some lows taken out because we have been very bullish, something like this. Okay, excuse my poor drawing skills, but you know what I'm saying. Looks like that. Yeah. So I got PMI news today at 9:45 and 10, and I usually don't trade news. I have before, and I've gotten absolutely cooked. So I just wait until news is done, and we're good to go. So only trading after 10 a.m. So market opened, and we just chopped around for basically the entirety of market open, and at the next 30 minutes. So I was just waiting until we got some news, and as soon as news was done, I was looking for shorts to the downside so we can go down before we come up. And yep. So I saw this fair value gap form, this big bearish fair value gap with a lot of volume to the downside, as you can see here, and I was like, okay, if price taps back into it, I'll take a short. So I was waiting for price to tap back into it until I took a short. Price did tap back into that fair value gap, and I was waiting to see what the next reaction would be from that candle, and we got a nice bearish candle, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna enter short here. Saw a bunch of low resistance liquidity to the left, so I was like, okay, I will move my profit target to the bottom of that low resistance liquidity to the left, and move my stop up to the top of that candle, and just let it ride. So I entered the trade, and honestly I wanted to move my stop up and my profit target up to even more, but just stuck with it. I learned from my mistake last time, I guess. I guess won this time, but there was times where I was like, oh, it's going back to the upside. But I stuck through with it, stuck through with my sentiment, and tried to stay fully emotionless, and the trade played out to where it needed to be.